Harness the magic of color. Red is confident and powerful. It symbolizes energy, passion, vitality, and strength. It excites and stimulates the mind, and it is thought to improve circulation and stimulate red blood cell production. Blue. Blue represents ease of communication, calmness, serenity, and clarity. It is a perfect color to reduce stress and anxiety. It is believed to eliminate toxins and treat liver disorders. Green is a color of balance, growth, and renewal. It's a healing color that promotes harmony and calm. It is also believed to have antiseptic and antibacterial properties. Violet embodies spirituality, creativity, and inspiration. It stimulates imagination and encourages introspection. It is believed to soothe organs, relax muscles, and calm the nervous system. Indigo is another calming color associated with intuition and is believed to be useful in controlling bleeding and abscesses. Yellow. Yellow radiates joy, optimism, and positivity. It's a color that can uplift and enhance feelings of happiness. It is said to be stimulating to the digestive and lymphatic system. Orange promotes sexual stimulation and pleasure and is believed to be useful in easing digestive discomforts like cramps and gas. White signifies purity, clarity, and new beginnings. It's often used to give a sense of openness. Black represents strength, mystery, and sophistication. It adds depth and contrast, symbolizing resilience and elegance. Incorporating colors mindfully into our surroundings, clothing, and daily lives can positively impact our well-being and emotional state. Have fun with it. Color is energy that we can use to enhance our lives. We all have a favorite color, and we can all tap into the energies that color gives us. The best part is that you can imbue any color with your own belief. And when you see that color, it will bless you with the energy you have decided that it means for you. Even better, wear that color in an article of clothing or accessory and channel that energy in everything you do. Kind of like a lucky hat or any other good luck charm. Wishing you a colorfully energetic life and many blessings. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.